Everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to start with the control statements. Like first we are going to do with working with if else, then we are working with like switch. Okay. Now let us start with the if else in Java. Okay. Now we are having here is like if else in Java. Use of if is to specify a block of a code to be executed if the condition is true. Okay. Suppose I'm writing like if a is less than b, okay, then a equals to 0. Here we are having a 2 and b is 3. So this condition is true or false. A is 2, 2 is less than 3, this condition is true, so it will return like 1. If this condition is false, it will return 0. Like if we are having if 1, like this, as this condition is returning, so it will go inside the if we are having a 0, it will not go inside if. Okay, so that thing is specified here. So for if we are having it's like if this thing is true, then a is 0. If suppose if this thing is not true, so what should happen? We are using else here, else a equals to 10. Okay guys, use of else to specify a block of a code to be executed when the if condition is false. Like if condition is false, like a is 5 and b is 6, b a is 5 and b is 2. Okay, now 5 is less than 2, no, this condition is false, so it will go inside the else. Whenever the if condition is false, it will go inside the else. Now third, we are having a use of else if is to specify a new condition to be test if the first condition is false. Now suppose we have we want a multiple condition, we don't want to go in a else, we have a multiple conditions. Like suppose we are having is if a is less than b, then we are having a equals to 0. Then we are having else if b is greater than a, then b equals to 0. Like else if both are equal, then it is like a equals to 10 and b equals to 10. Okay guys, it is assigning the value. This is a way, like if this condition is not true, it will go inside this. If these both are not true, then it will go directly into the else. It will not check any condition is else is not having a condition, else is like a end. You can see like end is like if the above condition is not true, so it will directly go inside the else without checking any condition. And else is not having any condition, it is for like false part. If it is like suppose you are having a two condition, pass or a fail. Suppose someone asked you like you are pass or a fail, so you will say like I am having a grade less than 40, so you will say I am not pass. So it directly means if you are not passed, then you are fail. Okay, it is not having like anything else like you are in a mid or you are any situation you are in, so it is directly go inside the else part. Now let us see this in Eclipse. Okay guys, earlier we have seen like input part. Now let us take input part also. Like suppose I'm having a number which I am assigned, which I want to take a value, input value, like sc dot next, and you are aware of this. Okay, like I'm checking condition if a, I'm taking for odd and even, a mod 2 equals to 0, then you know it is odd or even. It is even, so the message I'm printing even number. Okay, like suppose it is not even, you know, like there is no as number. If it is not even, then obvious it is odd. Okay, like inside else, and make sure your program looks good also. I will tell you like by good what I mean. Like if someone else is checking a program, it should look like neat, proper, and things are proper. Like here inside if it's else, it is showing like inside else is like this condition. Okay, now I'm running this program. Like Now I have to enter a number, like I have entered 33. It's an odd number. Like again I'm running this program. Like suppose I write like 30 44 434, even number. Okay guys, now you are aware of like else if else. Like suppose I want to check for two numbers that they are equal, greater than or less than. Okay, a comma b, I have to take input for both the numbers. I'm copying this statement because to save time. Okay, like b. Now we are having a condition. First of all is a greater than b. Okay, for this we have output is a is greater than b. Then we are having a else if part, because we have to check for b also. B is greater than a or not. Okay, for this our output is b is greater than a. Okay, then we are having is else part. In else part you always know that if b is not greater than a, if a is not greater than b, if b is not greater than a, then they both are equal. Okay, then semicolon. Now let me run this program. Like suppose I write 2 and 3. B is greater than A, you can see like B value is 3 and A value is 2. Like suppose I write 3 and 3. Both are equal. Okay guys, now you are knowing like when you have to use else if, when you have to use if else. Suppose you have to check only one condition, you can use if. Like if you want to like go, if this not happen, like this should happen. Okay, this is like that. Okay guys, now you are aware of if else. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video for a better reach. Okay guys, thank you.